Hey guys, how's it going? It's Saturday right now. I got a call during the week that my area is having a water meter change going on, upgrades anyway, to these new ones. So I'm in my basement today. I came down, I haven't been here in a while, but like down in the basement. And I see this thing staring right at me. Freaked me out a little when the light was off and I saw this white head. Ooh. Okay, so I know where the water meter is. Whoever did do this basement, I don't know why, but they hid it in behind a wall. So I'm going to have to deal with that and cut a big hole. I've already kind of measured it out. It's going to be a decent sized hole for this, hopefully. It's going to be big enough. And I'll have to patch that and fix it. And then eventually, when that gets all done, I'll put a normal access panel so you can access the water shut off. This is why when I do basements, I'm just doing one now, so I don't, you can't cover things up like that. Like in the future. And look at this panel. Yeah, this is just a 1/8 piece of panel they painted and they've put on there. It was like Velcro. Looks super ugly. And they're just all throughout the basement. I knew it was here, but like there's another one. It just doesn't look very good. So anyway. Yeah, I just thought I'd bring you along for this one. It'll be a quick one. I just got to open this up and access the water meter so we can get it changed out probably Wednesday, I think they said. So I'll set you up and get the cutting. Get it.
My own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Okay, so it's gonna be a stud here. All you need to do is push, give it a little wiggle, pop it out, and there it is. Yeah, I really don't get it why they do this. I know it's in an inconvenient area, but at the same time, wow. They're putting in like smart meters or something. Who knows? So he spends millions of dollars, but they can't fix potholes. What's up with that? Alright guys, so whenever this does get installed, I'll come back and show you the fix, I guess. Alright, nice, easy, quick video. So, happy Saturday, and get it.